Okay guys, so my face makeup is done. My eyes are concealed and prepped. I'm going to be using my BoxyCharm products, trying them on, making a tutorial with them. So first product I'm going to use is a Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. Looks like this. And I am going to use it in conjunction with my Jaclyn X Hill Morphe palette in Armed & Gorgeous, because I feel personally cannot use this by itself. It seems kind of hard. And I did realize after the fact that it does come with face products. So I'm going to go ahead and make a second tutorial to this BoxyCharm. So I'm going to have 2 October tutorials using my BoxyCharm products. Does that make sense? Okay, so today I'm just going to focus on my eyes with this part. And then I have my new mascara from It Cosmetics, the It Superhero Mascara. Sorry, I'm shaking and I'm so I'm such in a hurry right now. It's been a long day and a busy day. And I also have my Cotton Bondi Everlasting Liquid Lipstick and Bow and Arrow. What it looks like. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna get my brushes here. Okay. Let me go ahead and get some brushes. So let's go ahead and start with my Morphe palette. So I'm going to go ahead and take Access, this top yellow shade right here, put that all over my lid and crease. Let's just do crease today. Let me hide the background music so it's not as awkward. Okay, so a little bit more Access. You know what the funny thing is, guys? I honestly forgot to apply concealer. I do apologize for being such in a hurry, but I really did want this video to go up tonight, so that's what happens when you're in a hurry. Or, you know, multiple things happen at one time. Like, some stuff came up that I wasn't expecting. So, yeah, this is why I'm doing such a rush job. But I'm kind of sad because I didn't realize. I knew, but I forgot that this had face powders. And I went ahead and put some on anyway, so I do apologize for that. But again, I will make a second video to this. Okay, now I'm going to take Top Secret and apply that on my crease. So if you guys don't know, I was actually very sick over the weekend. Today's Thursday. I got sick Sunday. I ended up going to the ER Sunday night. Alfonso took me. He was there with me all night. And yeah, it was pretty bad. And then I passed it on to Alfonso. Alfonso got sick too. But luckily I'm doing a lot better. Alfonso's doing good too. So I'm feeling good enough to make this video for you guys. So that's why I'm doing it. But yeah, just wanted to put that out there. So just go ahead and bring down whatever is left on the brush. Just bring it down like that. Okay. I'm gonna take some more. Okay, now I'm gonna take it on this side. And I'm doing it with a light hand in circular motions. And just a quick little side note, the music, again, it's not my taste, but it's from the YouTube audio library, so it won't be copyrighted. So I don't have to worry about it getting blocked anywhere. And I know my brows look gross, and I have been for the last few videos. I apologize. But messy brows it is. So now I'm just going to take a different brush and blend it all out. Blend the edges out. So I do apologize if I'm cutting you guys off from seeing me. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more green to this side. More Top Secret, I apologize. It's called Top Secret. Okay, now let me just blend it out. Okay. Excuse me. Now taking my Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade. Do you guys know what color I'm picking? Yes, I'm picking the Mask Off. This green one right here. Let me swatch that for you real quick. Okay. It looks kind of green, gold. It looks green in the pan. But yeah, so let's go ahead and put that with the small brush. This one right here, this is what it looks like. This is from my Ojito set, Alamar Cosmetics. I really like them. Okay, let's go ahead and just pop it on the lid. Let me move up for you guys so you guys can see. And this is just with the brush alone, no MAC Fix Plus, nothing really. Okay, now let me do the other side, or the other eye. I've always wanted to do a green-eyed look, but I don't think I ever have. So this is, I really like how this is coming together. And I did swatch these, this palette on my, and I did swatch it and I posted it on my Instagram page. If you guys want to go ahead and check it out. These are very pigmented and very creamy, and I love how they feel. So now I'm just going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette again and take again Top Secret, and put that in the crease with the light hand. Now I'm going to take a different brush. Let's see if I can, I'll just take this one. And again with Access, very lightly, I'm going to put it on the edges just to give it a more yellow color tone. Okay, let's do that real quick. Okay, so now for mascara, I'm going to be taking my Superhero, It Cosmetic Superhero. I'm gonna use this as a mirror real quick. And I do actually have, let me see if I can find it. I did buy the sample, not sample, but this mini one from Ulta for $12. And this is the original for $24. That's crazy. Look at the size difference. Wow. So yeah, I really like it. I've tried it before. This and my Better Than Sex are my favorite. So let's go ahead and do this. I need to curl my lashes real quick. I'm gonna do my top eye real quick. Let me see. Oops. I love this because it's so thin I can reach my corner eyelashes right here. Well, I did notice that it does clump, so just be careful with that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna do my bottom eyeshadow really quickly. I'm gonna take Access and Smooth Criminal. Access and Smooth Criminal, and put that on the bottom. Okay, and with a smaller brush, I'm going to take a little bit of Top Secret, the screen one, and put it right under the line. Right at my lash line. Okay, now I'm going to do my bottom eyelashes, and I'll be right back, guys. So the last product I'm going to be using is my Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the Access stuff on my lips. It's not stuff, it's foundation, but yeah. So let's go ahead and try it. Oops, there's a hair on me. Okay. Okay. So here's a shade right here. This music is so weird. But this is the shade Bow and Arrow. Let me swatch it for you. There it is right there. Again, shade Bow and Arrow, and let's go ahead and apply it. I've never tried anything Kat Von D, so I'm really excited to try this. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry really quick. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna set everything up with my Urban Decay. Whew. Okay, so this is my finished look using my October BoxyCharm. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. If you're new here, hi, my name is Janey. I would really love it if you could subscribe to my channel and join the squad. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!